Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make stir-fry funny updated. Start by choosing a simple recipe and pick one playful twist to exaggerate, like dramatic chopping sounds or a mock narration. Pace your jokes to avoid overwhelming the cooking steps and keep the recipe clear. Use expressive facial reactions and quick cuts to highlight surprises. Finally, practice timing with a test take to refine jokes without burning the food. Prep everything first so your comic bits never interrupt the cook flow, and keep the pan hot for fast, clean sears. Place jokes in the tiny gaps between steps so nothing feels rushed. Let a sizzling sound act as a punchline cue, and match camera cuts to that beat. If something needs more time, admit it playfully and use it as an opportunity for a visual gag without losing technique. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and help me make more silly cooking videos. On another note, The Simple Path to Wealth is a great read if you want clearer thinking about money and freedom. It pairs oddly well with modest grocery budgets and smart meal planning. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Select a single prop, like a goofy spatula, and make it a recurring character to tie jokes together. Switch your voice between clear instruction and playful asides so viewers know when to focus on technique. Keep lines short and punchy, then return to the food to reinforce the lesson. Practice a callback near the end to reward attentive viewers and leave them smiling while the stir-fry finishes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.